Okay, guys. So, I'm on Snapchat with my friend, and the dude is asleep. We were just playing Roblox Uno. My friend's name is Eli. He's snoring like a freaking pig, dude. Yo, what the frick? Yeah. Yeah. It's 12:56 a.m. right now. Bro, he's snoring right now. He just fell asleep. We were just playing Roblox Uno. I don't know what to do now. I know I have to get off, but I kind of want to play Destiny 2. I'm not gonna lie. Or Warface. That dude. This dude. This man, bro. I'm gonna play Warface. Alright. If you guys want to see more videos, maybe I can post more if you guys like my videos, if you guys think I'm funny. Maybe not, I just say really sus shit, But, my friend Eli is snoring. It's funny. Hold up, I'm gonna pause this shit because I don't want you guys to see my email for reasons. Okay, guys, I've successfully logged in. Alright, let's play. Okay, I'm going to X out of that for reasons. Let's play some Warface. If you guys see me die a lot, it's because I haven't played this game in a long time, except for on my Nintendo Switch, and it sucks really bad. Because usually I would always get wins on controller, then on mouse and keyboard, and it's terrible. Damn, that's loud. God damn, I didn't even think about that. Guys, hear those clicking sounds? That's me playing Fortnite every single day. Not really, because I play on a controller, which actually kind of good, but I swear though, my friend Steven, I'm not gonna lie, he's kind of a traitor about this, but every night he starts cussing, becomes a dick for no reason. Every morning, like during the day, he's not. When his parents and his brother is awake and at his house, he is not a dick. He is like just nice, but sometimes a bit mean, Still tells people to shut up for reasons. Pair that, yeah, that's true. Okay, this is my money down here, if you guys can see that. Where it says right here. 6,813. Right here I have 98. This one I have 0. Because I don't really buy stuff. Or I don't know why. Maybe because I don't want to waste any money that much. Sometimes it just saves us money. Sometimes it don't, I just spend the money. And I gotta repair that. Yeah, I'm gonna go as medic. This is my favorite gun right here. This right here is my favorite gun. Maybe that one, I don't know. In Fortnite, I think that's a combat. I don't know what this one is. In Fortnite, they just had a new gun. Beach, deposit, vault, towers, construction, lighthouse, Hollywood, Sub-Zero, Armageddon, Cyrus, Mojave, I don't know what that says. I don't even know what this one says. Sang. We don't talk about that. Tunnel, exclusion area, Street Wars. I don't like the Street Wars. It sucks. I kept dying from that. This looks nice, kind of. I think I might do this one. If you guys don't know what the game Warface is, it's like a Call of Duty game. If you play PvP, and there are other games, you could just play with other players as a team. Take out the Blackwood team, and it's kind of fun. Once you die, you have to wait to the next checkpoint. It's not really that fun, but you see how my aim sucks? This is why I die every day. Bro, I shot that dude. I missed the dude by an inch. Fuck. Got another. I kind of just want to go on Omegle right now. Okay, hold on. What the? 1, 2, 3, 360. Slide. Yo. I wonder if you can kill somebody with that in this game. Alright, Blackwood team. This is PvP. I wanted to play with my friend Eli and I just wanted to play like me and him, just 1v1. But it wouldn't let us. We had to play with other players. Am I in the Blackwood team? Oh yeah, I'm on the Blackwood team. Bro, if only you could slide. How do you do that? Okay, hold on. Let me do this one. Back to game. Back to game. I don't know. I don't even know why I can't hear. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's why. Oh, hell no. I'm turning that down. Faster voice quality. Push to talk. No volume.
Enemies captured command post.
Done. Okay. So usually in this game I always die. For some reason, fuck. Damn.
Grenade!
Fucking hell!
The tower is destroyed.
Sorry. Bro, you're so fucking gay, bro. I think he died. Okay. When you want to change your thing, your character in here,
Fire
and
in the hole!
PvP, you gotta wait a few seconds. And it sucks, I'm not gonna lie. Because most people don't want to wait. You know, you just want to start gaming. But later I'm gonna have to get off because I'm getting kind of tired. Got one. Oh yeah, he's dead. Oh, you mother... Okay, I'm getting off this game. It sucks. I suck at this game. I know this... If you guys think this is really boring, I understand. Y'all don't really like this. If y'all don't you want to subscribe, you don't have to. But I recommend you do. I have 2 Visa gift cards. One is from me and one is for my brother. Both 25 Visa gift card. I'm gonna save it. Well, most of it's already spent, but I'm just gonna keep that card for now. I recommend like and subscribe. To be honest, if I were to guess how stupid I am, 50% of my mostly 80% of my brain is completely dumb. Is dumb, completely. So 80%. I can't even remember I forgot everything in math, but I told my friends that, but we're not gonna get into that right now. Well, at least not yet. Well, I didn't forget everything. I still remember some of it. But I literally forgot how to count by threes, which isn't hard, but for some reason it is. And I wish I could remember, but no, I don't. I ask for help, but I just can't. My brain sometimes doesn't make any memories. Okay, I'm gonna turn this up so you guys can hear. In settings. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay, settings, sound, this up, turn this up, turn this up. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down, the volume, for a bit. Okay. Yo, 2-1. If you guys know Billy Delphini,
I'm tracking an enemy band.
I'm not
moving
gonna
with
lie,
purpose.
my friend said
Perhaps you
that she's
could
transgender.
discourage
I
them
feel like
from
she's not.
moving
At the
any
same
further.
time, I do. Why am I even talking about her? Anyways, at this point, I'm not even sure if she even is or isn't. But I don't really have school. I do have school, but like online, and I don't like. I do it, but like you know. One time in 5th grade, honestly, okay, I'm only gonna tell you this thing in 4th grade. Yeah, 4th grade. There was this guy. There was this kid named Zacharias, and a girl that I liked in that grade. Her name was Andrea, and Zacharias would always pick on Andrea, and she was a girl too. But one time she lost her shit, and she said, "Shut up," and then she said the N-word to him. And he was black too. But she was Hispanic, so I think it's okay. I don't know. I don't even know at this point. My friends say if you're mixed and you say the N-word, it's okay. But I don't know. I swear if I get a better camera, if I ever get a camera, I will show you my face, bro. But where are you going, bro? Stay down like a little puppy. How'd you guys miss? Bro. Oh, this dude. He shot me. No. He's the only dude that shot me. I'm surprised. Yo. I am so surprised. They're not gonna be too happy right now. Fuck. If I were you guys, if you guys are young, do not search up Billy Delphini. I might make this for not for kids, cause I don't wanna get demonetized for this. Last time on my stream, I just got reported, and I haven't streamed since then. I don't even know what I did wrong. Whoever reported me is a fucking idiot. They could have just left. They didn't even need to. But I'm just saying. If this is lagging for you, I swear. Well, he went somewhere I do not want to go. Ooh, supercharge, even better. I might use it on the boss. Yo, this man. Yo, this thing's even. Stay back. Hello? Where are you? I want to kill you so you don't live anymore, please. Holy shit, man. Can't even see. Oh, fuck. I can't see. Okay, I'm not going there. I can't even go there anyways. It's too dark. Ooh. Fuck. I have too much chest armor. I think I already killed the boss. I think. Dang, my sword is so strong. Anyways, I'm gonna get off because I'm actually really tired. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Or at least try to. If I lag when I'm posting it, I swear. But I'm gonna try to at least post it. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe if y'all want to. I'm not making you, but you can. Anyways. Okay. You guys wanna hit the like and subscribe button, you can. Also, if you guys don't like the music that I play for my videos, I only use them because I I only listen to music to help me. You know, everything's better in song for me. If you guys don't like it, you don't have to like it, but you can if you want. I know one of the things it had the Ghostbusters song, and now that I think of it, it's kind of trash. Kind of want to take that out of the video, but if you guys know me, I don't even know how to edit. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. I might make a video tomorrow. Anyways, see you later. Peace out. Like and subscribe. Frosty's out.